Welcome to Jess Budgets. My name is Jess, and in today's video we will be doing a bill exchange. This bill exchange is way overdue. I've been meaning to do it for some time now, and I was finally able to get larger bills in order to do the bill exchange. So if that's something that you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. I'm really looking forward to it because I've been meaning to do one for some time now, and some of these sinking funds are in dire need of a bill exchange. Right, so we have some larger bills, and I only really took out hundreds and fifties. No need to get 20s, 10s, and 5s because I will be exchanging those for the larger bills. So that's what I did. Hopefully this works out because this is my first bill exchange and I wasn't sure if this is how people normally do it. So fingers crossed. Sinking fund binder, my purple binder, only because this one has more of the money that I keep long term, and then we'll cross over to my variable expenses and try to change some of the bills on there. I'm gonna start out with vacation and see if we can do anything with vacation. So let's see, vacation has some hundreds, so that's good. So there's 4. I do have some 50s, which 50s are fine. I'm gonna keep the 50s. 60, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so I have 100 right here, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, and I can change that for 100 bill. So that's what I'm gonna do. So, and I'm just gonna go ahead and leave the 50, which is fine. And then I do have 2 5s that, I have 2 5s and a 10. I'm gonna go ahead and exchange those for a 20 bill. And we've condensed our vacation fund. Next up is back to school. Back to school has a 5, so we're not changing that. And then after school, we might be able to change some bills. I'm not too concerned about this. I'm just gonna leave it as is because this money is going to be moved. Next up is Christmas. I believe in Christmas we might be able to make reduce some money. We have some hundreds, some 50s. I'm actually going to change this $50 bill. So I have a 20, 2 20s and a 10, and I'm going to change that for 50. And there we are. Then next up we have luxury. I believe this is 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and another 10. I'm gonna change that for a 20 then. Woo, flying money. And then we have a 20. I'm interested to know in what items, if you do have a luxury sinking fund, what are you saving for? I'm interested in knowing. I most likely will be getting a handbag, but I'm not sure what kind of bag yet. I don't know what brand to do, but I have been eyeing a few, but it'll most definitely be a handbag by the looks of it. Next up is my car fund. We can probably get some change for this one. So that's 100, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95. Close, but not. I'm gonna go ahead and change this for 100. And then I might just do a 50. Yeah, I'm gonna do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 5, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 50. And I'm gonna get a 50 and put that there. And let me put this away before I swap the money and mess up completely. Next up is health. Health is anything health related. I need to buy medicine, co-pays for doctor visits, things of that nature. Let's see, 10, 20, 30. So I can do a 50. So I have 10, 20, 30, 50. So I'm going to grab a 50. Water's fun, and I don't know if she even has. I might change her 50s. Let's see. Yeah, I'll go ahead. I'm gonna change out and get her 100, and then 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 100, so I'm gonna get another, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do another 100. So now she has 225, 225. And I'm gonna keep that in the back. And then my son's fun. So let's see, my son has 250s, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I'm gonna go ahead and give him 100. And then 10, 20, I'm gonna change the 5s for 20. And she'll have 225, just like his sister. And then next up, this is my husband's fun. I exchanged some bills, so we're gonna do I'm gonna do 220s. So I have 40, 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So I'm gonna do 220s. 5. I have a 2 out. I'm just gonna put the 2 out here, so I don't really have a space for it. And then I'm gonna do 220s, right? It was 220s. And then we have, this is my account. I just put in this envelope until I create one for myself. I should have the same amount as my husband, or 220s. And then put this back. All right, so then be able to change that, condense that down. So now I have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, just like my husband. So $91. Actually, I just noticed I can do a 20 here. I was focused on the larger bills, but I wasn't gonna do after school, but I guess I'll come back and maybe see if I do the hundreds. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 80, 90. I don't think I have enough. I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 5, 6. So not quite enough, but I'm gonna change the 250s for 100. And then I have 20, 40. And change for 50. Change for 50, so 20, 40. Grab a 50, and then 24. And then I might as well just get rid of the 2 ones. I mean the 2s, and do a 5, regular 5. That's it for my purple binder, which houses my sinking funds. This is the part that I needed to do mainly. So now I'm moving on to my Luna binder, which is my variable expenses. This isn't as important to me to condense. I think I'm gonna work backwards and then take it from there. Investing, I already took out the $100, so that should be pretty low. Yeah, I have $7 left. Next up is clothes. Let's see if we can switch anything for clothes. So for clothes, I have 20, 33. I'm going to change the 2 5s for 10. Then I have 20, 33. Next up, I have beauty, and in beauty, I have 10, 20, 25, 27, 28. I can, let's do a 20. Do a 20 there. Next up we have our gifts, and in gifts we have 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I guess we could do a 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have 4 ones there, so I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 5. I'm gonna put the 2 here, the 1s here, and grab a 5. I know the 2 is a larger bill, but I'm gonna just take out all the 2s and I'm gonna keep those separate and just save them. One of the main ones that needed a bill exchange. As you see, it's like all 1s. So let's see. 5, 10, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 20 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I'm gonna do 4, 5. I'm gonna do a 5 for this. Put that there. This is 20, so I'm gonna do a 20 here. And 25, and then here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 4s. I'm gonna keep, so I have to do 4s. I'm gonna keep the nicer 4s. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna keep those, and then I should have 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10. There's money everywhere. Okay. So 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next up we have our family. This one gets a lot of movement, so I didn't think there's 25 still in here. So next up we have our kids. Kids has 10. Then we have spending. I'm gonna switch it. I'm gonna change the 20 to 10s. Just to kind of like stretch my money instead of condensing. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I still have 50. I have my grocery fund And in my grocery fund, I have 200. I haven't gone grocery shopping yet. I think I'm gonna do a Walmart order and just pick it up. So I'm just gonna exchange the 50 so that I can have, actually I know what I'm gonna do. I remember, I think my son having 50s instead of 100. I think I'm gonna switch out that 100. Yeah. So I guess I'll take the whole thing out. I'm trying to keep the money separate and not get confused. So the 250s, I'm actually just gonna switch it for this 100. So for groceries, I'm planning on doing just a Walmart pickup. So I'm gonna change the 50 in for the 50 and change for a 50, just because whenever I do a Walmart pickup, I use my credit card to pay for it, so I can just deposit these larger bills. That is it. That is my bill exchange. That was fun. I am so glad because I am now able to actually close the binder, which I couldn't. I couldn't close it earlier because it was so stuffed. So that's refreshing because I was already looking online to buy another binder. That was more satisfying than I thought it would be. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. If you're new here, I would love for you to join the squad and become a subscriber. You'll be notified whenever I post new videos, and you can follow me on my debt-free journey and perhaps even start your own. If you are returning and coming back, thank you so much for returning and watching my videos. I really do appreciate it, and I love hearing from you. I love seeing you in the comments and replying back. So if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye. I don't know what the teller's gonna say to me. Like, what am I gonna do with all these ones? She's gonna look at me like I'm crazy. And this is bananas.